Hi everybody, it's Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com, couple owner 1962 true to form, numbers matching Impala SS. Pretty much close to original. Looks like it's had some paint. Chrome bumpers have been redone, but it's got its numbers matching 327. With the power glide transmission, upgraded brakes with disc and power booster, power steering, only 53,000 original miles. It's a true air-conditioned car. The customer I spoke to told me he took the belt off, didn't like air conditioning car. He's had it for a long time. Real clean. I mean, if you're looking for an Impala original, this is the car with a paint job or two. Engine's been well maintained. You've got your original panels all the way around the car. It's never been in a fight. Original grille in front. All your lights and wipers, everything's working. Lines up exactly the way it should. All the glass throughout this car is in good shape. Front wheel disc brakes he put on. This actually was his wife's car. She got a Camaro from us. Look at how it gaps out. You got a couple little spots. It's pretty much original with an older paint job. Here you got down here. Gaps out the way it should on the rear quarter. Hood's got a couple little fades, so it was an older paint job, but the car is solid. All the chrome around it, good. This thing doesn't need much. All your badging, Impala SS's are all good. All your tires are good. You can see it all the way through. I'll step off the car for a second so you see. That's because I opened the trunk. You can see little tiny spots. I mean, this is pretty much an original car. Impala SS like this aren't that many around. Look how nice this is. All original. See the welds? Looks like your weather stripping's okay. This is all okay. Could be restored, but it's got its age and its patina on there. Chrome bumper's fresh. No paint flaws over here. I got a couple over here, folks. Got another treat besides that. This car was ordered, or whoever ordered it. This side's fine. Real nice underneath. Drives out great. I mean, they maintain this all the way throughout. This car was ordered with the air conditioning factory, as well as real crazy option back then. There you go. Power package. Can't say many of them had that, but look at how original it is. Solid. This car could be kept the way it is or made into a stunner. Look how nice and original that interior is. Like I said, 53,000 miles. Back seat in great shape. Back deck good. Headliner a little, not bad. Not bad. I see a little spot over there, but it's not bad. All your panels are great. Look at this. Here's my favorite thing about this thing. When I drove it, I was like, wow, this is crazy. Right up. 53,272 miles. Real SS. Numbers matching. Look how original all that is. It's been well maintained. Got some literature and stuff in there. All your power windows are working. All your gauges are working correctly. So if you're looking for a nice original 62 Impala SS numbers matching car with a power package, it's a real nice car. You should call me. We've got over 170 cars in stock. body. It's got the right stance. Our warehouse is located 20 minutes from O'Hare Airport in Addison, Illinois. We have all our photos, description, pricing, video online at mgmclassiccars.com. Special financing is available if you have good credit with 10% down. We'll go up 180 months. Shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door. You can call me or text me. I'll give you quotes or answer any of your questions. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And like I said, if you have any questions on any of our stuff or need help with shipping, please give me a call. Let me give this beauty a couple of pumps of gas. Nice car. Hope everybody enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you around on the next video. Bye.